Our high-performance wood acoustic panels are designed for ceilings and walls, offering a range of benefits. Hypoallergenic and non-toxic, fire-resistant, Class A, and fungus-resistant, free from chemical irritants and formaldehyde, eco-friendly. Lightweight and easy to install, decorative and removable, perfect for controlling echo and reverberation. Manufactured with cutting-edge technology, a wide range of colours and exotic wood species to fit any style, ensuring a premium quality finish. Transform your spaces with our aesthetic and functional wood acoustic panels. Tailored acoustic design delivered to your doorstep. Learn more about how our panels can enhance your environment at www.southwoodbp.com.